In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn how we can construct the angle of 105 degree and 75 degree. This will be helpful for unit number 17, practical geometry, class 9th. Now, first of all, you have to draw a line segment freehand, or you can take measurement of 6 centimeter from 0 to 6 centimeter. Now, draw the line segment named as A and B. 105 degree. Now, you have to 15 less from 105, then you have to get 90 degree. And if you will add 15 to 105 degree, then you have to get 125 degree. It means that you have to construct 105 degree angle with the help of 90 and 120. So first of all, you have to construct 90 degree angle. Now, open compass with suitable radius. You can say that 1 centimeter. Put compass at point B. Draw arc. Draw semicircle. Now, this is the semicircle. Now, this is a 0 degree. Put compass at 0 degree and draw first arc. You know that first arc equals to 60 degree. Now, you have to put compass at first 60 degree arc. Now you have to draw the second arc. Second arc equals to 120 degree. Now, you have to put compass at 120 degree. Now draw first arc. Now, you have to put compass at 60 degree and draw second arc. Now, both arcs intersect at this point. Now you have to join dotted line with B. Now, this is the angle of 90 degree. Now, check that 90 degree angles intersect semicircle at this point, named as small a point. Now, you have to put compass at 90 degree and draw first arc. Now, you have to put compass at 120 degree and draw second arc. Now, you have to extend this arc at 90 degree. Now, check that both arcs intersect at this point. Now, you have to join with B point. That is the angle of 105 degree. Now, you can write here 105 degree. Next, we will learn the angle of 75 degree. Now, you have to draw again line of 6 centimeter, or you can draw line freehand also. It's your own choice. Now, from 0 to 6 centimeter. Now, named as A and B. Now, you have to construct the angle of 75 degree. Now, you have to 15 less from 75. Then you have to get 60 degree. Now, if you will add 15 to 75, then you have to get 90 degree. It means you will draw the angle of 75 degree with the help of 60 and 90 degree. So, first of all, you have to construct the angle of 90 degree. Procedure is same. Open compass with suitable radius. Put compass at point B and draw semicircle. Now, you have to put compass at 0 degree. Draw first arc. First arc equals to 60 degree. Now, you have to put compass at 60 degree. Now, you have to draw second arc, and second arc equals to 120 degree. Now, you have to draw arc up at 60 degree. Now, you have to put compass at 120 degree and draw second arc. Now, both arcs intersect at point this. Now, you have to join in dotted line with B point. Now, this is the angle of 90 degree. Now, you have to construct the angle of 75 degree. Now, check that 90 degree angles intersect the semicircle at this point, named as small b. Now, put compass at B. Now, draw first arc. Now, put compass at 60 degree and draw second arc. Now you have to extend this line at 90 degree like this. Now you have to join the intersection point of these two arcs with B point. Now that is the angle of 75 degree. I hope you have to understand that how we can construct the angle of 105 degree and 75 degree. Allah Hafiz.